The purpose of analysis of operating environment is to understand the forces that are impacting or likely to impact on your organization's performance. Industry analysis gives you the big picture of what is feasible in your business environment. It facilitates the setting of realistic targets for your organization. The targets that you set for growth, market share, profitability, or customer service shapes your change agenda. These targets need to take into account the realities of your business environment. And more importantly, they also need to be based on your organization's capabilities and competencies. In other words, your change agenda should be based on three factors. Number 1, business environment or industry dynamics. This is number 1. Number 2, financial and non-financial targets. And number 3, internal capabilities and competencies. The change agenda must address the following questions. Number 1, what is our assessment of the external environment? Number 2, how well do we understand our existing customers and markets? Number 3, what is best way to grow our business profitably? Number 4, how can we make money on a sustainable basis? Number 5, what are the obstacles to growth? Then is number 6, who is the competition? Next, number 7, what strategy do we need to grow in this environment? And number 8, do we have the internal capabilities and competencies to execute this strategy? Next, what capabilities are we missing? What do we need to develop? And next point is, how do we balance the short term and the long term? And next point is, what are the important milestones in executing our change agenda? And next point, what are the critical issues facing our organization? And the final point is, how do we address these issues? This change agenda needs to be developed through a process of dialogue and conversations with key managers in the organization. The questions listed are a useful starting point for these dialogues and conversations. However, organizations face a formidable barrier in effectively addressing their questions. The dominant mindset or mental model prevailing in the organization can prevent managers from seeing and confronting reality, both externally and internally. Mental models shape our thinking and mediate between the reality outside and us. They can be significant obstacles in times of change. Therefore, we need to understand the nature of mental models and how they can affect our perceptions and actions. Log on to my website www.asifjmeet.com. I also ask you to visit my blog at asifjmeet.wordpress.com. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.